So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to perform the dumbbell row with good technique. All right, let's get right into it. So when performing the dumbbell row on the bench, you wanna make sure that your knee is almost directly under your hip, your hand is placed out here, and your back is in a good straight line position, right? So you're not super arched like this in your back, and you're not hunched over like this, perform the movement. So once you find your setup, from here, you're gonna grab the dumbbell, allow your scapula or your shoulder blade to hang down while not moving your lower back. This would be bad. This is good while allowing the scapula to hang down. From here, you want to think about pulling your shoulder blade back into position while not allowing the shoulder in the front to tip forward. So you want this position, not that position as you row back. That's going to put a lot of excessive strain on the front side of the shoulder, and you don't want that. Over time, that can wear it down and you can start to have pain and irritation, okay? So again, I'm in a good setup. I pull back, I lower down under control at that 45-degree angle, squeezing the scapula back into position here, lowering under control. We're not doing excessive motion with our body because that's not gonna give us the best position to really utilize the muscles of the back that we're trying to work, okay? If you're a bodybuilder and you're lifting heavy weight, then you probably aren't watching this video anyway. So from the beginner standpoint, get your setup, shoulder angle, don't allow this to tip forward, and you'll be in a good position to be set up for success. All right, see you in the next video.